we've covered a lot of information so far about Instagram, and now we are on to Instagram posting schedule. So this, I think, is really important. I think it's going to make your life so much easier. It's going to make Instagram probably more enjoyable to you, because you won't have to think about it as much once you make a schedule. So I want to cover like a few things when I say schedule. So like you can use some apps, like there's an app called Plannerly that it's an app that you can download on your phone, and you can pull your pictures in, so you can sort of like plan what photos look really, really good like next to each other, kind of give yourself an idea. It's the holidays, so for example, I knew that I was probably gonna have like a lot of reds in my Instagram feed for the last like 2-3 weeks. New Year's is in a few days, so I have like a touch of gold in there right now. So Plannerly really helps me with that. Although I am a person who, I do post on the fly quite a bit because I like it. So I love Instagram, like I love social media. It doesn't feel like a bother to me at all. It doesn't really stress me out. So, so I don't feel like I need to like have it all scheduled like all the time. But if you do. Like I have very close friends, and my husband is one of them that it just, whoa, his mind is blown. He's just like, I don't know what to post. So for him, it's really important. We're putting a schedule together for him because he'll go weeks without posting. So I think it's really important to have a schedule. So one of the easiest ways to get your schedule going is with themes. So these are like super fun to think about, and here's just a few that I like wrote down literally like in less than 5 minutes. So I'm just kind of read them off to you. So like Motivation Monday, Memory Monday, Makeover Mondays, Mommy Mondays, Wishful Wednesday, Wedding Wednesday, Wellness Wednesday, Wine Wednesday, Food Friday, Photo Friday, Flower Friday, Fun Friday, Furry Friday for your animals, Sunday, Sunset Saturdays, Sunrise Sundays. So I think you kind of see where I'm going with this. So you're coming up with these themes. Now you have the choice. You don't have to share with your audience that you are posting sunrises every Sunday unless you want to. You know, if you want to, then that's great. But you know, if you post enough sunrises on Sundays, your audience is going to start to expect that from you. So it's going to be, and you know, sometimes they'll be on Instagram and they'll go search for you so they can see like that sunrise Sunday because the one they saw last week was just so beautiful. So what I'm telling you is you have a choice to either say, you know what, it's Tip Tuesday, Wedding Wednesday, Fitness Friday. That's something that's like one of my themes. And I don't really like engrave it so much into my audience because I don't want to seem inconsistent if I don't post that. Like I said, I'm a little bit more on the fly. If I'm like in Santorini, Greece on a Friday, I don't want to feel like I have to post a Fitness Friday. I want to post something of like Santorini, Greece. That's just personally, but you know, I think that using these themes can be super great and also help the activity on your Instagram. People will know what to expect from you. And then lastly, you know, making an actual posting schedule, like a calendar. So it would look just like a regular calendar, Monday through Sunday, and say that, I'm just gonna give you an example. Say that you like to post, you're a wedding photographer, you're super into food, you love sunsets, you love your dog, and you love inspirational quotes. So Monday might be a picture from a wedding. Tuesday might be a picture of like some kind of cake or dessert, some like pretty food. Wednesday would be maybe the sunset. Thursday would be a picture of yourself. Friday might be like an inspirational quote. Saturday might be the most cutest, cuddly picture of your furry little dog. Sunday might be like a BTS photo before you bake that cake for church on Sunday. So just to kind of give you that example of what your calendar would look like and how you could write that down, and then that can be super consistent. So if every single Sunday you're posting a BTS of something that you're baking, wow, that's really cool. Like, that would be awesome. You know, I bet people would come to your Instagram to get ideas of what they should be baking. So yeah, I think that these are there's a lot of ideas here for you to start with. And obviously I look forward to hearing from you on the club. And maybe you can tell us too some themes that you came up with, something that really worked well for you, and like a calendar that you're using that is changing your life and making it so much easier.